Welcome to our new video. BTSV continues to dominate on China's biggest platforms. BTSV is one of the most popular K-pop idols in China. It seems that his popularity is growing despite him not having any promotion or solo activities there. V ranked on number 97 in Weibo Super Topic Board Top 100, the only BTS member in the list and ranking higher even than the whole group. Among all K-pop artists, V ranked 7th place. He has the highest search index on Weibo, biggest search engine in China among all the BTS members for the last 30 days as well as for the whole 2021. Taehyung's topic has surpassed 46.8 million views on Xiaohongshu. Xiaohongshu is a popular lifestyle sharing app in China. He is 5th among male idols and the highest views of any BTS member. He has the biggest Weibo sign-in number among BTS members and the 4th among the male idols and 9th among all idols. Dominating every platform in China without having any solo or group activities there proves how loved V is not only by fans but the general public as well. Taehyung was the 7th most subscribed K-pop idol on Bilibili, the largest video platform in China known as the YouTube of China, the highest BTS member. It is known that V has the biggest fan base in China. Bedu V-Bar swept 1st and 2nd place in the top 30 ranking of all K-pop singers' fan bases all-time joint purchases of albums. Also set the highest record among K-pop fundraising this year. His bar was the one who gifted him the Burj Khalifa ad, which is the still most legendary birthday project to date. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. BTSV has his own unique sense of fashion that mixes elegance and class. The combination of his beige pea-coat jacket is a classic look that's perfect for the cold weather. He went for a professional yet trendy vibe in a Louis Vuitton shirt. From his structured bag to his tie and sweater vest combo. V shows his unique taste through his fringed Chanel bag and cozy cardigan. His Gucci slides and bowling bag are the ultimate piece that scream V. He made sure every accessory from his face mask to his beret was completely black. V went for the look of a young professional in the tailored pant and shirt and tie combo. V often looks to European fashion for inspiration, which shows through many of his fashion choices like his beret. Around the time V became known for his love for Gucci, he rocked a professional look in his cool button-up. V went for the quintessential autumn and winter look, that his white peacoat and cozy turtleneck. Thank you so very much for watching this video.